Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Need money in your PayPal balance right now? So in this year, don't bother with the slow 5-day bank transfer. Today I'm showing you how to use the debit card of yours to add funds to your PayPal in seconds. So first you need to ensure that your card is ready. So open your app and then go to link a card. So you go to your wallet if you're on desktop and then press on link a card. And this is going to be the information you'll have to provide. So for instant transfers, you look for the confirm card prompt. PayPal may do a small temporary charge to verify you own the card. And once that confirmation diamond appears, you're cleared for high-speed transfers. And now let's move the money. So you can just press on add the money next to your balance on the home screen, right over here. Select from your bank or debit card, and of course enter the amount. And also the critical choice. You'll see two options. Choose in seconds with debit. While the bank option is usually free, the debit card option gives you instant access. Review the details and hit add to your balance. And then you're done. The money will show up on your account immediately. And just like that, you've skipped the wait. Your balance is updated and ready to spend. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys, if this helped, and see you in the next one.